Added all this up.
Paige, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead.
Shut up!
What is up? Where's Angie? She's been gone for 20 minutes. Yeah, I don't know.
Dude, I'm fully in the bathroom right now. I have my binder, my stuff, and I totally don't want to go to 7th period, so. Yeah, you want to go? Alright, just meet me at my car. Alright, bye.
It's taking her so long. I sent her a text saying, meeting in the parking lot. Well, she'll be here any minute. Hey, yeah, I'm already in the parking lot. What? Want me to meet you in the field? Why? Alright, I'll be there shortly. Alright, bye.